So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So today's video is about campus placement report of those candidates who passed out in December 2020, and I was the one of the person who is selected through the campus placement in the Accenture operation. So definitely I can say here a few points about recent campus placement for sure. So now let's start. So first of all, those candidates who recently joined the CMA, whether it is foundation or whether it is intermediate, those who are recently joined, so they are confused about the job opportunity that is available in the CMA course. After completion of CMA, whether we will get a good job or not. So after watching this video, definitely you all the doubts will be clear through this video. So now let's start. So first of all, I would like to go through with the first phase of CMA campus placement. So here you can check in the first phase of CMA campus placement, that is May 2021. More than 360 candidates are placed during the first phase of CMA campus placement drive May 2021, which is all-time record in the history of CMA course. So that is the first point. Even in the critical condition, that is because of COVID-19, the job opportunities are less. Even though the institute has successfully conducted the CMA campus placement and making a record by placing more than 360 candidates in the first phase. So that is the first phase. So in the first phase, which are the companies are coming, which companies are came, and how many candidates are selected. So now let's start with that point. So here you can check for Kolkata region, Transrail Lighting, Sitco Shares, ITC Foods, that is the reputed company, Engineers India Limited, Vedanta, Accenture Technology Consulting, Accenture Operations, CEAT Limited, Kalpataru Power Transmission, Wipro, ITC, Apex Fund Service Limited, Transrail. Here you can check the number of companies are available. Larsen & Toubro Limited, Accenture Technology, Lafarge Holcim Global Hub Business Service. So here you can check private companies are there, public sector undertakings are there, limited companies are there, all type of companies are there, LLPs are there. So all the type of companies are there. So definitely if you have a caliber, then definitely you will be getting selected in the campus placement for sure. So that is the first phase. In second phase, here you can check the number of companies are available. For example, Wipro, Sitco Shares, Capgemini, Quansero, REC Limited, Runaya Group, TCS, NS India Limited, Tech Mahindra. Here you can check the number of companies are available. Precol Limited, Beacon Limited, number of companies are available. So if you have caliber, definitely you will be getting shortlisted in many companies, and definitely you will be selected in the campus placement. Nestle India, GAIL Limited. So GAIL Limited is offering 16 lakh per annum package, I think, if I am not wrong. Here you can check, all the links are available. So you can definitely check job description. So if you feel so, you can let me know in comment box. So I will share a few job description as well, so that you will get a clear cut idea about what companies are demanding. Another points I would like to say, here you can check all the updates about campus placement. ITC Food selected one candidate. Here you can check the most important point is Accenture Technology Consulting offered a CTC of 22 lakh per annum, which is all-time highest in the CMA campus placement record of the institute. So that is the highest package offered by the company, that is Accenture Technology Consulting, and it is 22 lakh offered to the 5 candidates. So these are the 5 lucky candidates who are getting a 22 lakh per annum package. So what is about the average package? So here you can check the browser about other reports, that is highest package 22 lakh per annum. Average package in the first phase is 10 lakh per annum. So I think it is more than enough amount. Even in the critical condition, institute is able to conduct a successful campus placement, and personally I would like to say thanks to the institute for conducting this beautiful campus placement. And definitely if you are capable of doing all the things, then definitely you will be getting selected through campus placement. Off-campus opportunities are also available, so you can definitely go for the same. Here you can check the which company selected how many candidates, so you can check all the things. In the second phase also, Here you can check more than 400 cost accountants are placed in the various reputed companies so far within 45 days of the ongoing campus placement organized for the December 2020 batch. This is all-time this is the all-time record in the history of CMA campus placement drive of the institute. So that is the record. Even in the critical condition, institute is able to place more than 400 qualified cost accountants. So that is the big number, plus big amount has been offered. So that is the important point I would like to clarify about the campus placement. So I hope you are now getting confident about the job opportunity available with the CMA course. So you can share this video with those who are confused about the job opportunity available after completing CMS. So definitely you can share this video to those candidates. So share this video if you feel so and like the video. And if you are new on the channel, then make sure you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Here in the end screen you will get my CMA journey plus my CMA campus placement experience. So you can check it out. So thank you, bye bye, and take care and all the best.